Ungqongqoshe wezobulungisa uqinisekise izakhamuzi zakuleli ukuthi uhulumeni akayihlabile inhlali ngodaba lwabantu bokufika abangena kuleli ngongemthetho. Uthi zikhona izinhlelo eseziqaliwe okuhlanganisa ukuqiniswa kwezintuba zokungena kuleli. Uthi ngenyanga edlule kuboshwa abantu abakuleli ngongemthetho abangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane eziyisi-7 ngekwephula umthetho ukungena nokuphuma kuleli.
Just to indicate this one, more than 7,400 illegal immigrants have been arrested by the SAPS for contravening the Immigration Act. And since the 1st of January, law enforcement agencies or operations conducted across the country have resulted in the arrest of more than 40,000 illegal immigrants in the country.
Ungqongqoshe uxwayise izakhamuzi ngokusabalalisa imifanekiso yamavidiyo engamanga nezithombe ezinkundleni zokuxhumana. Wathi lokhu kungenye izinto ezibhebhethekisa ukungabibikho kozinze emphakathini. Uphinde waxwayisa ngokuthi akekho umuntu onelungelo lokufuna amaphepha kubantu bokufika ukuthi bakuleli ngokusemthethweni noma cha.
Only Home Affairs will be able to determine whether an individual is within the South African borders legally or not. Further, they will be able to ensure consequences follow and systems are updated, such as declaring individuals undesirable if they are found to have been in the country illegally.
Ungqongqoshe womnyango wezasekhaya uthi baphezulu kwezinhlelo zokuhoxisa amavisa ayizinkulungwane kulelizwe ahlanganisa angaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezimbili okufunda kuleli.
The work from the SIU has actually made massive progress in this regard. I don't have the exact figures now, but we're talking about thousands upon thousands of visas. If I remember correctly, DJ, I think we were looking at over 1 billion data points that were analyzed by the SIU in terms of its work. So we do have quite an extensive data set now. And the next step as part of that is also to cancel a number of those visas.